Today I'm going to be showing how to disable Adobe Flash Player in Microsoft Edge. Now, without going into the whole spiel about what Adobe Flash has done for the internet, sometimes Adobe Flash does have issues rendering certain web pages and it could be prone to crashing. So that is why I'm going to make a tutorial today about how to easily disable this within the Edge browser. So it's very simple. We're going to head over to the top right corner of the screen here for the three dotted button that'll open up more actions. So you want to left click on that. At the bottom of this pop-up tab, you want to left click on settings. You want to scroll down, left click on view advanced settings. Near the top, it should say use Adobe Flash Player. If it's currently set to the on position, in order to toggle this to the off position, all you have to do is just left click on this oval, this blue oval. It should turn to the off position and then the blue fill should disappear and should become white. And then at this point, you just have to close out of this, just left click on any part of the empty window, and you should be good to go. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.